Welcome back, little learners, to a super fun trip out into the garden. Today we're guessing garden creatures and plants from clues about soil and growing, so let's dig in and play. Question 1. I am small and I like to fly around the garden. I make a gentle buzzing sound as I go. I have black and yellow stripes and I visit flowers. Is it the frog, the rabbit, or the bee? It's the bee. Bees carry a yellow dust called pollen from flower to flower, which helps new plants grow. Question 2. I am a very tall plant that grows in the garden. My round face is covered in bright yellow petals. When I am young, I turn my head to follow the sun. Is it the sunflower, the mushroom, or the apple? It's the sunflower. When they are young, sunflowers slowly turn their heads to follow the sun across the sky. Question 3. I am a tiny little beetle you might find on a leaf. My round back is bright red. My red back is covered in little black spots. Is it the butterfly, the ladybird, or the ant? It's the ladybird. One hungry ladybird can eat lots of tiny green fly to help keep garden plants healthy. Question 4. I am a vegetable that grows in the garden. I am long, pointy and bright orange. The part you eat grows hidden under the soil, and rabbits love me. Is it the tomato, the grapes, or the carrot? It's the carrot. The crunchy orange part we eat is actually the root, growing hidden under the soil. Question 5. I move very, very slowly around the garden. I leave a shiny, slippery trail behind me. I carry my curly shell on my back like a little home. Is it the snail, the fish, or the bird? It's the snail. A snail can tuck its whole soft body inside its shell to stay safe. Question 6. I am long and thin with no arms and no legs. I wriggle through the dark soil under the ground. I make tiny tunnels that help plants grow, and I have no eyes. Is it the caterpillar, the worm, or the ant? It's the worm. An earthworm has no eyes at all, but it can still tell the difference between light and dark. Brilliant work, little learner, you're a real garden detective. See you next time for more fun and games.